Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I got a quick, simple, and easy holiday glam look. I got my curls a little bit ready. They're still air drying, but first let's prep the face. Now I'm going to get my curls back a little more with my Zazzybandz. I'll link it down below for you guys. It is a curl-friendly headband. And then here I'm going to be using my Skintasy primer. It's actually a face cream, but it's also a really great primer before applying your makeup. Here I got a quick little prime and set for my lids before applying the shadows. And also don't forget, if you do like the video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, picking up that Covergirl palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's been my favorite recently, and I'm taking in that palette the lighter brown matte shade, and I'm working it into the crease and then into the outer V, and then right over that outer V again I'm going to pack on the darker medium brown. Just kind of keep working into that V, and then I did slightly work it into the crease as well. Then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to pick up the more pinker champagne color, so not the white shimmer, the champagne shimmer, and pack that on about 2/3 of my lid. For the lower line here, the lower lash line, I just worked that darker brown shade and then I blended it out with a clean brush. And then to the lower lash line, a little pop of a nude liner, a little pencil liner. And of course, quickly here, just doing some really super simple liner. I'm not going to do any wings, just keep it real easy, real basic. And then of course, this is a great look that if you want to go a little more extreme with the wings, you can. And brows are on. Now it's time to go ahead and finish the face. I went ahead off camera and I also added a little bit of concealer and powder, but I'll have it in the description box for you guys below. Here I'm just taking my bronzer, I'm working into my cheekbones, into the temples, a little bit into my forehead. Then I'm going to go ahead and chisel in my jawline a little bit, my nose, and then the bottom of my lower lip. After blush, I'm going to hop up to my eyes again, and I'm going to apply my favorite makeup product, mascara. So I'm using one from Anastasia Beverly Hills on the top, and then I use a L'Oreal one on the bottom, just because the wand's a little bit different and I can hit my bottom lashes a little better with the L'Oreal wand. After the mascara, I went off camera quickly and I set my face, and then my second favorite makeup, highlight. So as you saw, the inner corner, the brow bone, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cheekbones, and we cannot forget sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. I also went ahead and added a lip liner and then filled it in with a liquid lipstick, did a little more swooshing of my curls, and that is it, everyone. Thank you so much for checking out my holiday glam makeup look, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of healthy New Year's, and all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends. I hope to see you next week for another video. Take care.